Bonjour from Dunkirk, France.
Morning.
Morning, Bob.
Hey.
Hey,
Yeah.
where are we?
Belgium. Beach is like a 2-minute walk from our Airbnb.
Can you see that St. Andrew's cross on the beach right there? Maybe you can't even hear me. Anyways, it said stay on the dry part of the beach because of quicksand. And I jokingly told Chris that there's some meme out that said I thought the quicksand would be a much bigger issue as an adult. Here's our one time that we're gonna see quicksand.
We are in Seda. Basically, it's in Belgium. It's a seaside town in Belgium. Going to the beach. We're gonna go to Dunkirk, France. So here in Seda, there's these, I guess, vending machines for everything. So this is handmade pizza. It's a full loaf of bread right here.
Today we are headed to Dunkirk Beach in France because we are just north of the Belgian border.
We're gonna go see some of the shipwrecks and the beach
In 700 meters,
where the British
take the second exit on Albert
got rescued.
Line.
Dunkirk Beach. If you've seen the movie, if you've seen any of the documentaries on Dunkirk Beach, this is Dunkirk Beach. A little chilly here, but we're gonna go through the Dune de Boeuf. These right here are the batteries, which hopefully down below I'll show you a little bit more of what they mean, because they were not in the movie. But there's that, and they're all the way down the beach. Abel did so well in Amsterdam that we decided to take him along to Belgium with us, and he's loving the sand. Looks like it's a machine gunner's nest, just like just like on Normandy and everything else. It was like built up.
And that's above the wall right there.
Something was here. Another one of the batteries. So how crazy is this? We're on Dunkirk Beach, and this is one of the actual shipwrecked boats that came to get all the British soldiers. that shipwreck right there, there was like these yellow buoys or whatever. So if you see, I don't know if it comes up on the camera, but all the way out there, they're all around the other different shipwrecks. So there's like one there, there's one right way out there, one over here. So there's tons of different shipwrecks that are all around that different tides you'd be able to see, or obviously you wouldn't be able to see. At least we got to see one though. Today we started off in Koeksijde, Belgium, and then traveling all the way down to Dunkirk, France. And we had the whole beach to ourselves. There's hardly anybody here. Yes, a little overcast, a little chillier. It's in May, so you know, take it for what it is, but yeah, it's awesome. I don't know if I'd want to test the waters and go in the water now. Just walking along Dunkirk beach, and we found a seal. Cool. Just got to see a cool seal back there, just hanging out on the beach of Dunkirk. Now the sun's trying to poke out. Be a nice day. And rain coming right here, so that's always good right here. Got the fishermen out.
No. What do we have?
Alright, we have mozzarella sticks, cheese and broccoli, onion rings.
Yeah.
This is the chili cheese nuggets, right? Or something. What are these? She has that. Actually, that might be the chili cheese nuggets.
Is that good?
What is it?
Like chili with cheese in it, and then like that. It's actually pretty good.
So one thing in Belgium, you have these cows called Belgian blues, and if you notice, I don't know if you can really see, but they're so much more muscular than all other cows. Look them up, they're pretty cool. Hey guys, I just want to close out the Dunkirk video. We had a good time seeing some of the you know, World War II type of history and everything. So until next time. But welcome to Koeksijde.
Hi.